what my day looks like now, or rather, what it looked like. I wake, I wake, I wake up at 7 a.m. To be more precise, I set an alarm for 7, but I usually snooze it every 10 minutes and wake up about 20 minutes before I have to leave. Today I woke up on time. I wash up, eat breakfast, take a snack with me, and go to the bus stop. I go to work. My workday starts at 9 a.m. and lasts 12 hours until 9 p.m. I work at a pickup point. People buy things online. The orders arrive 4 or 5 time, 5 times a week and I sort them. When a customer comes, I scan their QR code and give them the item. Usually 20 to 30 clients come during my 12-hour shift. The rest of the time I sit and dream about a better life. I earn $3 an hour and work every day without days off. Every day feels the same. At the workhouse, I have a small kitchen area with a kettle and microwave. I also have a work computer I use to run my blog and Twitter. At the end of the day, I clean up and close the pickup point. I go to the bus stop, take a bus and ride home. I take a shower, eat dinner and go to bed. Tomorrow I'll film a video about my goals for the next week. So, see you tomorrow.